What's up, it's your girl Whitfabby. For those of you who don't know, and if you didn't know, now you know what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved these crimps on straight hair with a crimper, a comb, and some hairspray. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing, you're going to need a comb, some Sprits spray. I use Fantasia Micro Hold Sprits, and a crimper. I purchased this crimper from Shoppers Drug Marts. It's the Infiniti Premier by Conair, and it's really awesome. And you're also gonna need an alligator clip. So first thing I'm gonna do, I always section my hair off, usually into twos, so it's gonna be a middle part crimp. So this is out the way, and this is what I'm starting with first. You wanna start from the bottom, comb out your hair, work your way to the top. Some people refer to these as crimps, and some people refer to them as deep waves. Growing up, I refer to them as crimps. So before we put the iron through any part of our hair, we just want to spray just a little bit before you run the iron through. So section it off, because you don't want to take super giant chunks. You start at the top, hold it down, you guys see that already? You're getting your crimp. And there you have it. You have a crimp. And then just spray some more loose so it can be locked in. You literally want to keep doing the same thing throughout the rest of your head. Okay guys, so I've just finished one side. This is finished versus not finished. I did get a little mess up here because someone was at the door, and I actually held this on for too long, but that's okay. You guys get the idea? You see it? I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this or run my fingers through it, which I'm probably gonna run my fingers through it so that it looks a little wavy and not so crunchy. But I'm gonna do the next side and come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did both sides of my hair. So it looks like I am wearing a deep wave hair when in reality it's just straight hair that I crimped. What do you guys think? Do you love? Do you like? Do you hate it? I think I would like it more if my hair was all one color. Me having the two highlights at the front kind of throws me off. Like, I don't know. But I do like the result. As you can see here, I messed up, of course, at the two fronts by not making them like symmetrical, but whatever. Because I just feel like with this wave, it defines it so much. So it literally looks like I just have two pieces of blonde hair, but came out good. This was the plan. So another thing I didn't mention is spray your whole head with hairspray so that these can remain throughout the day. You can zhuzh them out if you feel like you want more of a wavy look, or you can just keep it like crimped. And one last thing, also when you're crimping, keep tension on the hair so that it doesn't become frizzy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video.